So you have a home and you're thinking about selling it in the near or not so near future. And of course, you want to be sure to properly prep yourself and your home for this future sale. Hi, my name is Len Nevin with Loyalty Home Group at EXP Realty. And since 2003, I've been working with homeowners just like you that have gone through this exact same scenario. A little prep work up front goes a long way. So today, I want to talk about disclosure requirements when selling your home. So this will be a fun one. When selling your property, you have a legal and ethical duty to disclose certain information to potential buyers. These disclosure requirements are in place to protect both buyers and your interest in the real estate transaction. In this video, we will explain the legal requirements for disclosing information about your property to future buyers, ensuring a transparent and honest transaction. So let's look first at federal and state laws. Real estate disclosure requirements are governed by state laws. However, there are also federal laws that require certain disclosures. For example, the Federal Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act. Any home before 1978 has to have a lead-based paint hazard disclosure. So that's a federal one. Now let's look at state-specific ones. State-specific disclosure requirements can vary widely. It's crucial to research and understand the laws in your state to ensure compliance. Now, common state-specific disclosures include information about known defects, property history, zoning issues, and any environmental hazards. The seller's property disclosure, as we call it, the SPUDs in Arizona, is something we see in all states. This document typically covers information about the property's condition, including any known defects, recent repairs, and issues like water damage, pest infestations, or structural problems. Now let's look at material facts. Sellers must disclose material facts about the property. Material facts are those that could affect the buyer's decision to purchase or the price they're willing to pay. This includes information about the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical systems, and any past damage or repairs. Environmental hazards are another thing that people are looking for information on. If your property is located in an area known for environmental hazards such as flooding, seismic activity, or radon exposure, you may be required to disclose this information. Some states also mandate the disclosure of nearby hazardous waste sites or toxic substances. Has there been a death or a crime on the property? In certain states, sellers must disclose if a death, such as a murder or suicide, has occurred on the property. Additionally, you may be required to disclose any knowledge of criminal activities or violent crimes that have taken place on the premises. Homeowners Association disclosures. This one's a little lighter, but if your property is part of a homeowners association, you may need to provide information about the HOA's rules, fees, and any ongoing legal or financial issues. Buyers need to understand what they are entering into when dealing with an HOA. Is there any pending legal actions? If there are pending legal actions that could affect the property, you need to disclose them to potential buyers. This could include disputes with neighbors, regarding like boundary disputes or any ongoing construction litigation. Any inspections and repairs need to be disclosed. If you've had recent inspections or made repairs to the property, just disclose the findings and the work that was done. This information helps buyers understand your property's current condition, and in fact, they like to see it's been maintained. Obviously, consult with a real estate professional like myself. To ensure compliance with all disclosure requirements, it's highly recommended that you consult with either, a real estate agent or an attorney. We can help you navigate the specific laws in your state and provide guidance on the necessary disclosures. So we can give them all to you and explain and answer any questions that you may have on those disclosures. Wrapping up, disclosure requirements in real estate are absolutely essential to protect both your side and the buyer side in a transaction. Failing to disclose required information can lead to legal issues and jeopardize the sale. And as a seller, it's crucial to be aware of the specific disclosure requirements in your state and provide accurate and complete information about your property to potential buyers. Transparency and honesty throughout the process not only fulfill your legal obligations, but also contribute to a smooth and successful real estate transaction. If you have any questions on this particular subject, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. And once again, thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.